We've just acquired this lovely Renault Clio. It's in lovely condition, very high spec, a very rare colour, absolutely immaculate diamond cut alloy wheels. It's absolutely superb conditions around it. It's the TCE model. As you can see, it's got rear park distance control. It's a 5-door. Boot area is lovely. It's got the carpet mats and the tailgate. Inside the car, it's high specification. You've got 4 electric windows, electric mirrors. It's got the bass reflex speakers. Just start the car up, so you can use that for your audio off the steering wheel. It's got a multifunction steering wheel as well. It's got USB and aux, air conditioning, cruise control and eco. We'll just wait for that to load up because we've got satellite navigation and Bluetooth as well. Home screen there. So we've got navigation, media pack, phone. Agree. And the map will come up there. Okay. DJ to offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.